There's a lot of things going on in the Unity multiplayer space, and it's a lot more than you know of. So in this video we'll list our top 10 picks for new and upcoming multiplayer games built using Unity technologies for 2023. Now some of these games have already been released, so you can download them and start having fun straight away, so be sure to watch out for those during the video. First up, we've got Blitz GT. This one is a really cool vehicle combat multiplayer. Basically, you play in 4v4 teams and you do awesome tricks with your cars to level up and earn upgrades. The cool thing is you can then use those upgrades to take out the opponent team and prevent them from leveling up during the match. The multiplayer aspect on this game is massive though, because aside from taking out your enemies, you can also help your friends by healing them and protecting them from certain attacks that might be coming their way while they have low health. Definitely a really fun game to play, this one. Next on this list is Wagadu Chronicles. This one is a really cool MMORPG. It's based on African culture, so the character customization and environment in this game is really unique. It's not something that we've seen in many MMORPGs, and it makes for a really fun environment and game to explore in general. They took a lot of time studying African cultures and just trying to make sure they get it right, and so it's really cool to see a team that is as dedicated to this as these guys are. So I'm sure this one is really going to be a fun experience, and it's going to be a really in-depth exploration. On the multiplayer, you play as a custom character with custom abilities, and you work with other players to build massive villages and communities where you can come together, have fun, and overcome the hurdles that come with that. If you like the first game on the list, you're really gonna love Turbo Golf Racing. This one is a multiplayer vehicle game with mechanics that are really similar to Rocket League, and thankfully it's already released, so you can download this one and start having fun straight away. The environments in this game though are really expansive. There's a lot of different environments with very unique styles, and this makes for some super cool visuals while playing this game. It's definitely a lot of fun to just sort of look around and have fun while you play this game, and it's super cool to see this being built in Unity. Next up, we've got Spiderheck. This is a multiplayer combat game. Kind of reminds me of the Stickman games, but with a lot more of a neon feel, and the graphics in this one are just amazing and a lot of fun to play, especially on console. This one is out as well, so you can download it straight away on Steam and start having fun right now. Next up, we've got From Space, really cool co-op space invasion game with a really nice neon touch to the graphic style. This game has really cool looking graphics. They've got some nice effects with their volumetric lights and whatnot, and they also have some cool effects that would be really nice to explore in Unity, like how they built this really cool see-through effect which allows you to see your character when he enters into buildings and other things. So this game is a lot of fun with some shaky camera effects and a lot of polish, so you can download this one straight away on Steam and start having fun. Now if you're building a multiplayer game in Unity, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I release new multiplayer tutorials every single week that cover both advanced and beginner tutorials. Make sure to join my Discord channel as well. That's the very first link in the description to join a community of dedicated multiplayer game developers that are constantly asking and answering both beginner and advanced level questions about building multiplayer games, so you can get help as you build your game.
Oh my god, this is so cute. Can you teach me how to play this game? Wow.
Yeah!
Well, next up on our list we've got Party Animals. I really have no idea how to explain this one.
Starring Royal Corgi, Orange Cat, Canada Goose, Bullshit.
I really have no idea how to explain this one, but it's a super fun game. It reminds me a lot of Fall Guys, but the character art is really unique. The entire art style of the game is super fun and playful, and it just makes me really happy to see that Unity can be used to build these sort of custom art styles. So it would be super cool to see how this was achieved in Unity. The multiplayer aspect is basically just playing with your friends, and it looks like harming them in different ways. It's really hard to tell, but Recreate Games is a super fun studio. Unfortunately, they have pushed the game release to 2023, but I'm sure they're gonna make it a lot of fun to play whenever it comes out. Boom, now we've got a game that you can't play straight away. This one is V-Rising. This one has received a lot of praise from Unity for making use of the DOTS ECS technology, as well as integrating multiplayer aspects into it. It's a really nice vampire exploration game where you play as an awakened vampire. So the character customization on it is pretty neat, and it does make for a pretty fun game to play. So like I said, this one is released as well, so you can download it straight away and start having fun on Steam. Next up we've got Techtonica. This one is a space exploration co-op game. You play as a crushed astronaut, and what you're doing is building an automated factory to explore the planet and continue to discover the different things that you can find on there. So the co-op aspect is really cool. I imagine you work with friends to gather resources and continue to build your own factory on the planet. There's a demo out for this one on Steam and you can play it for free. I wonder if the actual game will be free, but all we can do right now is wait. The art style is really cool, and so it's super cool to see this being built in Unity as well.
To the world of Storybook Brawl.
Now finally we've got Storybook Brawl. This one is released as well on early access on Steam, and it reminds me a lot of Hearthstone, but with a lot more of an RPG aspect to it. Card games can be a lot of fun to play, and especially when they're directed as well as this one. You need 8 players to play this one on multiplayer, and there's a lot of variance with the different characters that you can explore, and it just makes the entire game really fun to play. Well, that's it for our top 10 picks of Unity multiplayer games. 2023 is going to be an amazing year for the Unity multiplayer game community, and I can't wait to see what people are going to build with the new tools that Unity has released. Once again, if you are building a multiplayer game in Unity, be sure to subscribe to this channel. I release new videos of this sort every single week, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.